In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app, which is Gallery, and tapping on Got It in the pop-up. Following that, you can hold your photo right away and click on Select All at the top right corner to pick multiple right away. In order to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on them. So must click. And to delete the rest, choose Delete at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!